Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Will deleting my Rocket Money account stop charging me? I know that a lot of people are curious about this, so I wanted to take some time to explain the situation. First, let's talk about what Rocket Money is. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you save money by finding and canceling unused subscriptions, negotiating bills, and tracking your spending. Rocket Money is a freemium service, which means that you can use some of its features for free, but you'll need to pay for a subscription to access all of its features. If you're not happy with Rocket Money, you can cancel your subscription at any time. However, you may still be charged for services that you used before you canceled your subscription. Here are some things to keep in mind. Rocket Money may offer you a refund if you cancel your subscription within a certain period of time. Rocket Money may still charge you for services that you used before you canceled your subscription, even if you cancel your subscription within the refund period. If you have any questions about Rocket Money's refund policy, you can contact their customer service team. So, will deleting your Rocket Money account stop charging you? The answer is yes, but there are a few things to keep in mind. If you have any outstanding charges, you will still be charged for those services. If you have a subscription that is active, you will still be charged for that subscription until it expires. If you want to stop being charged by Rocket Money, you should do the following. Cancel your subscription. Contact Rocket Money customer service to request a refund for any unused services. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time. If you're interested in learning more about Rocket Money, you can click on the link below. Thanks for watching.